Hello students. In the last video we have seen some different examples. Today also we will see some different examples. The example which is we are going to study now, the example which we are going to solve now, that example is in front of you only. Look this example. When we are watching example, when you are observing all the examples which we have studied before that and after that also, you will come to know that here one thing is common, that is the right angle. Second thing is common, here we have to use only the ratios, sine, cos, tan, cos, sec and cosec, nothing else. Only simply what is the format of the example, that only we are going to study over here. Look, in a right triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. Are you getting? Means maximum students, maximum of you, they got idea about it. Maybe you got idea about it. Simply here we are going to find out the value of sin A and cos A. We will put into the given equation. What is the given equation? 2 into sin A into cos A, and we will get the value 1. That is final, remember. Verify that, we are going to verify it is over there. Okay, means simply we will write the right angle triangle. We will first of all here draw a right angle triangle, and by using that we will solve, nothing else. Are you getting? Means like that simple examples are there in the trigonometry when we know about the ratios, their definitions, and how to elaborate it, how to use it. Okay, I am going to start. Look and try to understand. Now look here, in a right triangle ABC, right angle at B, by using this information I am going to draw here triangle. Now take a right angled triangle ABC where angle B is equal to 90 degree. I am going to start this example. Look and try to understand. Okay, solution. Here take a right angled triangle ABC, B is equal to 90 degree, where B is equal to what? 90 degree. Okay, I will draw a figure as usual, you know that very well. Here point B, here point A, here point C. Now look here, sin A cos A means which angle is used here? Angle A is used. Are you getting? For what purpose? For writing the ratios. Are you getting? Look here. Now in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, now in triangle ABC, look here, read this example carefully. If tan A is equal to 1, one important thing is given to us. If tan A is equal to 1 means in this triangle ABC, tan, the value of tan A, the ratio of tan A is equal to 1 we are getting. That information which is given to us, that we will use, but before that in this triangle ABC we will try to write by using this angle A tan ratio. Therefore tan A is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent, यानी कि BC upon AB, BC upon AB, but this tan A value is already given. Look here, what is 1, but tan A is equal to 1. We will put this value in this equation. Means what we have written, tan is equal to BC upon AB we have written. In that we will put this, what we will get, see. Therefore, okay, 1, tan की value क्या है? 1. We will put here 1 is equal to BC upon AB. Got idea what I have written? I have kept this, the value of tan A in this. Okay, you can consider this is equation 1. For our understanding purpose we can consider, no problem at all. Are you getting? And here we can write from 1. Okay, यानी कि ये जो tan A की वैल्यू इधर भी लिख सकते हो, पुट अबो वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन 1. आर यू गेटिंग? ऐसे भी लिखो तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्पज. वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन 1 लिख रहे हो तो भी करेक्ट है, लिख नहीं रहे हो तो भी करेक्ट है, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. Are you getting what I did? Look here, first of all I have written tan ratio by using this figure, then but this is given already to us. Put above value in equation 1, we have kept this value in equation and we got like that 1 is equal to BC upon AB. Are you getting? Now look here, what I will do, I will multiply this AB to this. What I will get, see, AB is equal to BC. Means value of AB is equal to value of BC. Got it? Yeah. Here in this figure, in this example also, value of AB, BC, AC, nothing is given. Means first of all, suppose we want to find out the sine ratio and cos ratio. Suppose we want to find out the sine ratio and cos ratio. For that purpose, we must know value of AB, BC and AC. Otherwise, how we can find out? This is only the speciality of this example, nothing else, remember. And for that purpose, we got this. For that purpose, this is given us tan A is equal to 1. By using this, we got here AB is equal to BC. If AB is equal to BC, means value of AB is equal to value of BC. Are you getting? Suppose we will consider value of AB is equal to K or one of the other constant number, then 100% value of BC is equal to what? K. Are you getting? That constant number. That's why we will consider like that only. Consider AB is equal to BC is equal to K. For what purpose we have to consider? Some of you they may think like that. K क्यों consider करना है? Because we want to find out the value of, look here, AC. AC की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के बाद ये वेरीफाई करना है. वेरीफाई करना है यानी कि साइन एंड कॉस ए की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. एंड आफ्टर फाइंडिंग दैट दोज वैल्यू वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई टू ईच अदर एंड वी हैव टू शो दैट दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. आर यू गेटिंग? एंड टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन ए एंड कॉस ए वी मस्ट नो द हाइपोटेन्यूज. For that purpose we have considered AB is equal to BC is equal to K. Okay, ये K क्या है? Do you understand? Here we have considered K is any positive number. Are you getting what I am saying? Here triangle we have drawn, and without measurement of the sides we can't draw triangle. Means if you know the measurements of the side, then we have to draw and we have to write over there, we have to mention over there. But here it is not given. That's why we have considered K. AB is equal to BC is equal to K, and K is any positive number. Any positive number. Why positive number? Because this is the measurement of the sides. नेगेटिव में कभी भी मेजरमेंट नहीं होता, इसलिए पॉजिटिव नंबर हमने कंसिडर किया. ओके, नाउ बाय यूजिंग दिस AB is equal to BC is equal to K, we will find out the value of AC. How we can find out the value of AC? In this triangle, right angle triangle, you know that very well by using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now what we will do, look here. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle ABC. What we will get? Hypotenuse square AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Am I right? We will write here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB and BC की वैल्यू हमें मालूम है, पुट करो. AC square is equal to, we will write in the bracket, otherwise directly you can write K square plus K square. K square plus K square, what will happen? AC square is equal to 2K square. 1K plus 1K is equal to 2K. Taking square root of both sides. We get, what we will get? AC square is equal to, what we will get? See, I will write here. Look carefully. We will get there AC square is equal to, in square root, 2K square. Am I right? AC square is equal to in square root 2K square. Then taking square root बोला है इसलिए सॉरी, इधर हमें क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? AC is equal to in the square root 2K square. तो AC is equal to K square का स्क्वायर रूट हम निकाल सकते हैं, तो K in bracket in square root 2. Do you understand? In bracket, not in the square root. Got idea? Got understood this point? Got idea about this? What I did, look here. Here I have written taking square root we get AC square का स्क्वायर रूट AC होगा 2K स्क्वायर रूट 2K स्क्वायर है वो स्क्वायर रूट में लिखा है, देखो इधर, यानी कि AC इज इक्वल टू इन स्क्वायर रूट 2K स्क्वायर. देयरफॉर AC इज इक्वल टू K स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट K इन स्क्वायर रूट 2. वी गॉट हियर AC इज इक्वल टू K रूट 2. वी गॉट हियर AC इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? K रूट 2. देन we will write first of all sine ratio. साइन ए इज इक्वल टू, बाय यूजिंग दिस फिगर, साइन ए अपोजिट साइड डिवाइडेड बाय हाइपोटेनियस, अपोजिट साइड विच इज बी सी डिवाइडेड बाय ए सी, बी सी डिवाइडेड बाय ए सी. बी सी की वैल्यू क्या है, वी हैव कंसिडर ऑलरेडी हियर, बी सी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, के, and AC we got here. Put this value, k divided by k root 2. K will get cancelled, 1 divided by root 2. Then cos A is equal to, cos की value लिखो. Look here, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side which is AB. AB divided by AC. AB की value भी k है, divided by AC k root 2, k cancel, 1 divided by root 2. Now we are going to verify this. Okay, so we will verify this. 2 into sin A into cos A, we will verify this. Look here, 2 into sin A into cos A is equal to 1. We will not write, look here, 2 into sin A into cos A is equal to 1. ये 1 हमें प्रूव करना है, इसलिए 2 इंटू साइन ए इंटू कॉस ए आई हैव रिटन हियर. ओके, 2 इंटू साइन ए की वैल्यू 1 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट 2, कॉस ए 1 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट 2. देयरफॉर 2 इंटू 1 इंटू 1 यानी कि 2 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2, रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2, रूट 2 स्क्वेयर. गॉट इट? रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 स्क्वेयर. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई रिटन? एक ही नंबर को उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद उसका स्क्वायर आता है. 2 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट 2 का स्क्वायर यानी कि क्या होगा, 2, दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 1. गॉट इट? हेंस वी कैन राइट 2 इंटू साइन ए इंटू कॉस ए इज इक्वल टू 1. वेरीफाइड. फिनिश. अंडरस्टूड? यह है पहला एग्जाम्पल. ओके, दूसरा एक एग्जाम्पल आज देखेंगे हम. देखो इधर, दिस इज द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. इफ यू सी केयरफुली देन यू विल कम टू नो दैट ये भी बहुत ही सिंपल एग्जाम्पल है. ओके, लुक हियर, इन ट्रायंगल OPQ राइट एंगल्ड एट P, उधर B था इधर P है. ओके, OP इज इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर, OQ इज इक्वल टू OQ माइनस PQ. लुक हियर, OP इज इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर, OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Determine the value of sin Q and cos Q. इधर हमें वैल्यूज निकालनी है. किसकी वैल्यूज निकालनी है? sin Q and cos Q. Same thing we are going to follow over here, nothing else. You got idea maybe? Here values given, एक साइड की वैल्यू दी है. By using this we have to find out the another side and we have to find out the value of sin Q and cos Q. Means first of all we have to draw a right angle triangle. By using right angle triangle we have to use Pythagoras, and after using Pythagoras we will get the values of sin Q and cos Q. जैसे हमने पिछले एग्जाम्पल में साइन और cos की वैल्यू की फाइंड आउट की, वैसे इधर वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, नथिंग एल्स. आर गेटिंग? बट व्हाट इज द स्मॉल चेंज? दिस इज द स्मॉल चेंज. आज तक ऐसे के भी वैल्यू नहीं दिए थी, इसलिए यही एग्जाम्पल की स्पेशलिटी है. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस एग्जाम्पल. लुक हियर, solution given. What is given? Triangle OPQ right angled at P. OP is equal to 7 centimeter. OQ minus PQ. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. OQ minus PQ is equal to what is given? 1 centimeter. Okay, then we have to find out those values. For that purpose, for our understanding and for our better convenience, we will draw a figure. This is the right angle triangle. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. OPQ is the right angle triangle. Do you understand? OPQ. We will write Q right angle है, सॉरी Q नहीं है, P राइट एंगल है. इधर देखो, OPQ राइट एंगल एट P, तो इधर आएगा P. ओके, ये है P, इधर होगा O, इधर होगा Q. OPQ ऐसा भी लिया तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, देखो इधर Q ही मैंने क्यों लिया, इधर देखो साइन Q एंड कॉस Q, इसलिए एंगल Q कंसिडर करना है। P को राइट एंगल है OPQ। ओके, वी विल स्टार्ट नाउ। वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज ऑफ व्हाट वी विल फाइंड आउट। लुक हियर, OP दिया है हमें, OP इज गिवन 7 सेंटीमीटर। OQ माइनस PQ, ये OQ देखो इधर OQ माइनस दिस PQ इज इक्वल टू 1 दिया है। By using this we will find out. How to find out? Look here, I am going to start. Okay, now by using Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. OQ square is equal to PQ square, PQ लिया जाए अदरवाइज QP लिया जाए, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। PQ square plus OP square. We'll consider this is the equation number 1. Look what I did. क्या किया है देखो, what is given that I only copied as it is. OPQ right angle at P, OP 7 centimeter, OQ minus PQ, OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. OPQ is right angle triangle. I have taken here rounded, look here little angle Q, because sin Q and cos Q we want to find out. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, OQ square otherwise QO square, anything you can write. OQ square is equal to PQ square plus OP square. Okay, but what, but look here, OP is given, OP is equal to 7 centimeter, and look here, this is very important, OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. By using this OQ minus PQ, we will find out here value of OQ. We will find out here value of OQ. Are you getting what I am saying? Look here, and then we will get the value of PQ. कैसे देखो, OQ is equal to, we will transfer this 1 plus, now it is minus, it will convert into plus PQ. Got idea? OP is equal to 7 and OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. Put above values in equation 1. Put above values in equation 1. Equation 1 में वैल्यू पुट करो, क्या आता है देखो, OQ square is equal to PQ square plus OP square. This is equation 1. OQ की वैल्यू क्या है देखो, 1 plus PQ bracket square. Got it? Why bracket square? Look this carefully. 1 plus PQ, 1 plus PQ, एक किसकी वैल्यू है, OQ की, and here square is there, that's why bracket square is equal to PQ as it is, PQ square plus OP is given 7 square. Understood? Now look this, here it is very very important. Many times students are getting confusion over here. 1 plus PQ square, generally students are writing 1 square plus PQ square. Do you understand? ऐसा लिख देते हैं, but it is wrong. When you will write that 1 square plus PQ square, that is wrong. Are you getting? 1 square और PQ square लेते हैं, PQ square कैंसिल कर देते हैं और किसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है ये भी उनको पता नहीं होता, ऐसा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है। तो क्या करना है देखो, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट, that is very important. I am going to show you. Look here, 1 plus PQ square, now this is in the form of A plus B bracket square, and the A plus B bracket square expansion is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Means look here, this is the value of A, this is the value of B, means 1 square plus 2 into A into B यानी कि 1 into PQ plus B square यानी कि PQ square is equal to PQ square plus 7 square कितना आता है, 49. We will square now. 1 square is 1 plus 2 into PQ यानी कि 2PQ plus PQ square is equal to PQ square plus 49. We will transfer this PQ square to the RHS, and this 1 also will transfer to the RHS. Then what you will get, see, okay, 2pq is equal to pq square, this pq will come here, means minus pq square plus 49, this 1 will go here, means minus 1. What will happen, look here, this pq and this pq will get cancelled and 49 minus 1 48, means what you will get 2pq is equal to 48. Do you understand? देखो इधर 2pq is equal to 48. I want to find out pq. Divide this, pq is equal to 48 divided by 2. Therefore pq is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. कितना मिला मुझे? pq is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, now by using this pq I will find out the value of, look here, oq. oq is equal to 1 plus pq. Now oq is equal to 1 plus pq. oq is equal to 1 plus pq is what? 24. oq is equal to 25 centimeter. Understood? Okay, now we will find out easily the values of sin q and cos q. Then sin q is equal to, in this triangle q, opposite side क्या है? OP. OP divided by hypotenuse OQ. OP 7 divided by hypotenuse OQ 25. OP 7 कैसे? Already it is given, look here, इधर दी है. Okay, then cos q, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, means PQ divided by OQ. PQ divided by OQ. PQ की वैल्यू क्या है? 24 and OQ 25. 24 divided by 25. Understood? Like that we have to find out the values of sin q and cos q. Those both examples we studied. Now I will show you your notes page that you have to copy down as it is. You know that very well. देखो आज के वीडियो में हमने पहला एग्जाम्पल ये देखा है. First of all we have written whatever given. Then we considered BC is equal to AB is equal to K. We got here AC. Then we got the values sin A and cos A. इधर देखो, अच्छी तरह से दिखा देता हूँ ऊपर से. लुक हियर, 2 sin A इंटू कॉस ए हमें वेरीफाई करना था. वैल्यू पुट किया हमने. आगे का पार्ट इधर लिखा है 2 इंटू 1/2 √2 इंटू √2 2 2 2 विल गेट कैंसल 1 2 इंटू साइन ए इंटू कॉस ए इज इक्वल टू 1. इट इज़ वेरीफाइड. ऐसा लिखना है. ये पहला एग्जाम्पल. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल, ये है दूसरा एग्जाम्पल. We have used here Pythagoras theorem. We got the values. Then here it is very important. A plus B bracket square का expansion use किया इधर. We got PQ is equal to 24. Then we got sin Q and cos Q. I hope so you got idea about these examples. Remaining examples and points will continue in the next video. Thank you.